and welcome to your daily market update. Here's what's moving markets and money today. In the UK, the pound is holding steady against the euro after the European Central Bank left interest rates unchanged. Traders are waiting on today's UK GDP release. The pound is calm for now, but 1 week number could knock it off balance. Over to Jaguarland, Rover is still dealing with a cyber attack that forced workers home. Short-term disruption is expected. Even luxury cars cannot outpace hackers. Confidence in the property market is slipping ahead of the autumn budget. Buyers are cautious and activity could slow further. The housing market is acting like it is stuck in traffic. Over to the US, a federal court has ruled Trump's tariffs illegal. Although they remain in place pending appeal, no immediate relief for businesses. Tariffs are like unwanted guests. Even when told to leave, they linger. The S&P 500 closed 0.4% higher, crossing 6,600 for the first time ever, helped by strong gains in tech stocks. Markets are optimistic ahead of the Federal Reserve decision. Wall Street keeps climbing, but every record high makes investors more nervous. Oracle shares jumped after strong earnings and enthusiasm for artificial intelligence. Tech stocks continue to lead. Oracle has shown it can still compete in the AI race. Over to the EU, France has moved to block EU-wide crypto licensing, delaying the rollout until at least 2026. Crypto firms will continue to face fragmented rules. Europe wants unity, but national politics keep getting in the way. The EU is pushing to settle trades in 1 day instead of 2. This could reduce risk, but will demand costly upgrades. Faster settlement means faster mistakes as well. Over to Brics, leaders from China, Russia and India have pledged closer cooperation and less resilience on the US dollar. De-dollarization efforts will continue. The Brics alliance is slowly shifting the balance of power. Russia has launched a Brics precious metals exchange to set gold and silver prices. This could challenge Western benchmarks over time. Commodity pricing is no longer just a Western game. Now over to my favorite crypto space. Bitcoin fell back below $115,000 after failing to hold last week's rally. Traders are now watching the Fed decision for the next move. Bitcoin still rises and falls on central bank headlines. XRP dropped below $3 before recovering slightly, testing key support at $2.95. Holding support could open a path back to $3.40. XRP holders are waiting for a breakout, but getting whiplash instead. Speculation is heating up around the wild XRP predictions, including claims $589, as well as talk of ETFs and mass adoption within 2 years. Expect volatility as hype collides with reality. Ambitious forecasts are grabbing attention, but adoption takes more than headlines. The XRP ledger is preparing a major security upgrade called the XLS 86 firewall, designed to protect holders from scams. Good news, guys, stronger protection could encourage adoption. Security is finally catching up with innovation. This is absolutely fantastic, guys. This is what I've been waiting for, and I will continue to keep you posted on that journey. Moving on, Tether has launched a new US regulated stablecoin. This may attract more institutional users.
Called USAT.
Another stablecoin joins the mix, proving the dollar has endless lookalikes. Moving to gold and silver, gold is holding close to $3,700 an ounce, with UBS raising its forecast to $3,800. Demand from central banks remains strong. Gold continues to prove its safe haven value. Silver is trading near $42.90 an ounce, up around 45% this year, its best run in more than a decade. Industrial demand for solar and EVs should keep prices supported. Silver is finally stepping out of the gold's shadow. And in Vietnam, analysts say Vietnam's dong could strengthen up by up to 15% if Brics currently reforms take shape. Greater stability may attract more investment. Vietnam is turning financial alignment into opportunity. Domestic gold prices have dropped for the third time straight. Local demand is cooling off for now. Even gold occasionally goes on sale. Vietnam has launched a regulated crypto pilot program. It could shape the region's digital asset policies. Careful, regulation might give Vietnam an edge in Southeast Asia. And sliding to Iraq. Speculation is growing around a possible dinar re-evaluation linked to Brics and gold. No confirmation yet, but markets are buzzing. Currency rumours travel faster than the official policy. Iraq posted a $5.2 billion deficit in the first half of the year. Oil revenues will be crucial to fill the gap. The budget remains a long-term challenge. And over in Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe's new gold-backed ZiG currency may be integrated with Brics reforms. Stability depends on execution. This could be more credible currency Zimbabwe has had in years. Diesel use is up 25%, pointing to stronger industrial activity. Growth appears to be picking up. Energy consumption is telling the story of recovery. Qatar has pledged $19 billion in investment. This should support infrastructure and jobs. Zimbabwe has found a wealthy backer at the right time. Now over to cybersecurity spotlight. A malware campaign is hijacking search results in China to spread fake apps and Trojans that steal crypto. Expect rising losses in digital wallets. Even search engines are being turned into attack vectors. A new AI-powered tool called Villager has been downloaded over 11,000 times, lowering the barrier for hackers. More amateurs will attempt sophisticated attacks. Hacking tools are becoming as easy to grab as phone app. China-linked hackers are also deploying a USB worm called Snake Disk in Thailand. Southeast Asia faces growing cyber risks. Plugging into random USB sticks is still one of the riskiest habits. Gold and silver remain strong. Crypto is volatile. Brics is building momentum. Emerging markets are stirring and cyber risks keep multiplying. Expect volatility across markets with central bank policy in focus. The financial system is adjusting, but disruption from innovation to cyber threats is now the norm. And that's it for today's market update. If you want more insights, live market watch-alongs and detailed breakdowns of the latest scams, hacks and cybersecurity threats, come and join me on Patreon for exclusive updates for free. Guys, it's been a pleasure as always. I will see you tomorrow. So for now, bye bye.